Students, in the last topic we have discussed the Thomson's model and the Rutherford model. Both these two models were failed to explain the stability of electrons inside the atom. So the next model, the most successful model, is the Bohr's model of an atom. As per Bohr's model, suppose this one is the atom. The whole of the mass and the positive charge is located in the central region that is called the nucleus. Whole of the positive charge and the mass. The positive charge is due to the presence of protons, positive charge, and the mass that constitutes the positive charge. And the mass, whole of the mass is also located in the central region. Mass is because of the presence of protons and the neutrons. Neutrons are the neutral particles present inside the nucleus. मास हो रहा प्रोटॉन ते न्यूट्रॉन्स करके, पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो रहा प्रोटॉन्स करके, एंड प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स आर कलेक्टिवली कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियॉन्स. Protons and neutrons that are present inside the nucleus are collectively called nucleons. Now what's about the electrons? We have cleared the position of protons and the neutrons in the atom. What's about the electron? As per the Rutherford's model, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. But Neil Bohr added on that electrons are no doubt revolving. Suppose this is the nucleus. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus but in the different shells. So these are the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the different shells. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in different shells or different energy levels. Energy levels. These are as per their energy. The electron which have less energy will be closer to the nucleus, and with the higher energy will away from the nucleus. Electrons are named, shells are named as first shell होगा nucleus के around, it is called the K shell or first energy level. K shell or first energy level. Second one is the L shell. Next is the M shell, N shell. It is the first shell around the nucleus. Circular path. It is also called the orbit. Circular path around the nucleus in which electrons revolve. Nucleus ਦੇ around circular path ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ electrons revolve ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ, that are called the shells, energy levels or the orbit. Circular path ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ orbit. It may be K, L, M, N. It is the first shell. This one is the second shell, third shell, and the fourth shell. Next article is the neutrons. Neutrons is discovered by the Shandvik, which have no charge. It is neutral, no charge, and mass is equal that of the protons. Mass is equal to that of the protons. It was eventually named as neutron. Neutrons are present in the nucleus of all atoms except the hydrogen. It is present in all the atoms of all the element except hydrogen. Hydrogen कोल neutron नहीं होता, so that's why its mass is 1. In general, the neutron is represented by N. The mass of atom is therefore given by the sum of the mass of the protons and the neutrons present in the nucleus. Now question is name the three subatomic particles. Three subatomic particle. Atom which kede particles ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ? Proton, these are the positive charge. Electron, negative charge, and the neutron, no charge, neutral charge. Next is the helium atom have atomic mass of 4 units. The 2 protons in its nucleus, how many neutrons it have? Mass is the 4 unit, and protons are the 2, how many neutrons it have? The mass is because of the protons and neutrons. It is the sum of protons and neutrons. Mass is 4, protons are 2, so the neutrons will be 2. How many neutrons does it have? It will have the 2 neutrons. Next is, how are electrons distributed in the different shells? As per the Bohr's model, electrons are distributed in the different shells, but shells ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ distribute ਕੀਤਾ? Who decide how many electrons will be there in a particular orbit or the particular shell? It is by the Bohr-Buries rule. An orbit can have maximum of 8 electrons. Nucleus, it have maximum of 8 electrons. 8 ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੇ. But who will decide which how many electrons will be in a particular shell? It will be the 2n square rule. It is called the Bohr-Buries rule. Bohr-Buries rule. Bohr-Buries rule. It is a 2n square. N is a number of shell. It is 2